With FaceBeast, I earn cash online, and all I've got to do is something that I've already been doing for years. So why not?
FaceBeast, what can I say? This website is awesome. I've been trying to figure out a way to earn some extra money, and that is exactly what FaceBeast is letting me do now.
Listen, you've got to get in on FaceBeast. This is seriously something that had me excited from the beginning, and it has not let me down.
Hey now, don't let the beast scare you. In fact, you should befriend the beast, because despite his grotesque, and I mean grotesque appearance, he is nothing more than a gentle giant. But this beast does, however, have an insatiable appetite. He is always hungry, but he doesn't prefer a nice hot meal. This beast eats only one thing: cold, hard cash. You see, this beast is different than any other beast. He does not eat people. He does, however, eat social networks. He's addicted, and he can't get enough of them. Just like a hunting dog will go out and retrieve the duck for its master, or how your pet might bring a special treat to your door, this beast will go out and take enormous bites out of social networks like Facebook and bring back cold, hard cash to leave on your doorstep. Put the beast to work for you and start earning cash today just by using Facebook.
Money for using Facebook? It's real and I love it. The beast is extremely powerful.
If I'm gonna be on Facebook all the time anyway, why not earn some sweet cash while I'm doing it?
I've been using it for almost 3 weeks now, and I still continue to be blown away by the quality of this program.
Okay, this is real money that you earn. It's not points or gift cards or anything like that. I'm talking about money in your PayPal account. I'm talking about checks in your mailbox.
Facebook is the, if not one of the most popular websites online. I could bet that you probably log into your Facebook account every single day. In fact, you may have another tab open on your computer right now with Facebook right now, and I know you got it in your phone. Well, now thanks to FaceBeast, you can earn money online just by doing what you are already doing every day, using Facebook. There have been other sites in the past that have tried to make this a reality, but they are mere ants in comparison to the beast. FaceBeast is your #1 place online for earning a legitimate income from home using Facebook. CelebrityNetWorth.com states that Facebook's net worth is currently $112 billion and currently pulls in a revenue of millions per day. And TechCrunch.com states that there are over 802 million people logging on every single day. But you already knew that, right? Well, now it's time to get your piece of the pie. Take a bite out of Facebook's billions of dollars. Join FaceBeast today and earn an income from your home using Facebook. But how does it work? Well, let me tell you.
All you've got to do is follow the video instructions and you will start earning cash just by using Facebook.
The videos tell you exactly what to do. It's as simple as pointing and clicking. They show you what to do on your screen, and all you've got to do is copy it.
It is so easy. I'm not sure if it could be any easier.
Very, very simple and very easy. I love the straightforward approach. Now that's how you make money.
Here's how it works. Step 1, activate your FaceBeast account and choose a username and password. Step 2, log into the exclusive members only area where you'll be face-to-face with a beast. Step 3, follow our top-of-the-line step-by-step video tutorials and start earning an income by using Facebook. The Beast tells you everything you need to know. He tells you where to click, what to like, what to comment. That's right. Learn how you can earn cash by liking statuses, creating fan pages, posting comments, and everything else you do on Facebook. Don't you see? You're already a pro. Every time you log into Facebook to check out your status, you could be logging into Facebook to earn cold hard cash. I'm talking real money here too, not points or gift cards or rebates or anything like that. I'm talking about a legitimate actual income. And here's the best part. You don't have to compromise your own current Facebook account in order to start earning money with the Beast. You can use your current account, or you can simply create a new account to use just for FaceBeast. The choice is yours, and the potential amount of money you can earn remains to be unlimited. All you've got to do is follow the instructions provided by the Beast, and you could be earning cash in minutes.
This is my new favourite website for sure.
I love the Beast.
It's ridiculous.
I'm just at home making money with Facebook. I mean, yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's a monster.
You want legitimate money? You want FaceBeast.
I love FaceBeast.
Join the program and be ready to earn a real-life income from home quickly with FaceBeast.
Now, what would you do with some extra cash? Would you catch up on some bills? Maybe buy yourself something nice? How about take a vacation? Or how about save up for college? Hey, these are all possibilities when you put the Beast to work for you. Men and women from all over the world, all ages, are loving the Beast. There is only one requirement to becoming part of the revolutionary income-creating program, FaceBeast. What is it? You've just got to be 18 years of age or older. That's it. So activate your FaceBeast account today and take a bite out of Facebook's billions of dollars. Get your piece of the pie at the peak of the social revolution. But hurry up, because the Beast is getting hungry. Scroll down to learn more and get started today.